Ladybird Driving School is Ireland's only all-female instructor driving school. Our panel of female instructors are trained to the highest standards available, guaranteeing our customers an outstanding service. If it's essential driving training you need, or have your driving test coming up, then look no further. We have quickly become the choice of parents and students to deliver the EDT lessons efficiently and with ease, and getting you past your driving test first time is standard procedure for us. Our mission is simple customer success. We are driven to help you succeed. Our absolute commitment to this mission of customer success has elevated Ladybird Driving School to industry leader status, delivering the most comprehensive driving lessons in your local area. We guarantee also that your EDT records are updated to the RSA website within 1 week of lesson completion, and our commitment to efficiency means no unnecessary delays for you. We deliver the best pre-test lessons in the business and ensure you pass your test first time. All our instructors know the test routes inside out and will guide you effortlessly to passing your test. Type in Ladybird Driving School reviews and see for yourself the quality and reputation we have, and see why our referral base is growing faster than any other driving school. At Ladybird Driving School, we guarantee customer success and the ultimate goal of passing your test first time. See you soon.